Welcome back. In this lesson, we will talk about one of the most important concepts in programming, variables and data types. Think of variables as little boxes in your computer's memory where you can store information. A variable is a name that refers to a memory location where a value is stored. For example, if I want to store someone's age, I can put it inside a box, that is, a variable here. Now, what are the rules for naming variables? A variable must start with a letter or underscore. We cannot have spaces or special characters. Variables are case sensitive, that is, age with the capital A and age with small a are different. Variables should be meaningful, not just X or Y. Let's understand different data types. There are 6 data types that we have to study: int, float, double, char, string, and bool. Int is used for whole numbers, float and double for decimal numbers, char for single character, string for text, bool for true or false values. Now, what is the difference between float and double? Float data type provides the precision of 6 to 7 decimal digits, whereas double provides 15 to 16 decimal digits. Float type takes 4 bytes of memory, whereas double takes 8 bytes of memory. Float has faster performance due to smaller size, whereas double has slightly slower performance due to its larger size. As we have learned how to name a variable and what are different data types, let's write a program. This is the sample program for what we have discussed so far. We have int age, which holds the value 20, double price, which has 99.5. Now you can make it as float also, as now you know the difference between float and double. Char, grade A, string name Madhav, bool, which holds true or false values. So bool is happy is true. Let's see what our output will be. We got our output as we wished. I want you to focus here. Is happy and then 1. Why are we getting this 1? Because when we declare any variable true and we want its output, we'll get 0 or 1. 0 when the value is false and 1 when its value is true. Let's make a program where we take input from the user. Let me quickly delete this. Let's ask the user for his or her age. I've declared the variable int age. Cout. Here I want to display enter your age. Now we want the user to enter his or her age. For that we have to use cin age. Now cout you are the age which user entered years old. Let's save, run build task, enter your age. Let's type 20. You are 20 years old. Now, with this, let us understand one more concept, that is constants. In C++, constants are fixed values that cannot be altered during the execution of a program. They are crucial for representing unchanging values and ensuring data integrity. To declare a constant, you simply have to write const, type any data type, for example, double, and name the variable as pi, which holds the value 3.14159. Attempting to modify a const variable after its initialization will result in a compilation error. So in this video, we learned variables are containers for storing values, different data types, int, float, double, char, string, bool, how to take user input with cin, rules for naming variables, constants for fixed values. In the next lesson, we'll explore operators in C++, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and more. So we can actually do something with these variables. Try writing a program where you store your name, age, and grade, and then print them out. If you got it working, type a green tick in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.